To set up the installation loop for Cyberpunk 2077 in 2025, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. This guide will help you navigate through the installation effectively. Step 1. Prepare your system. Ensure your gaming system meets the minimum requirements for Cyberpunk 2077. Check for sufficient storage space, updated graphics drivers, and the latest operating system updates. Step 2. Download the game. Visit the official game platform or store where Cyberpunk 2077 is available. Purchase and download the game files to your system. Make sure the download completes without interruptions. Step 3. Install the game. Locate the downloaded files and initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the game on your preferred drive. Allow the installation to complete fully before proceeding. Step 4. Update the game. After installation, check for any available updates or patches for Cyberpunk 2077. Download and install these updates to ensure you have the latest features and fixes. Step 5. Launch and configure. Once the game is updated, launch Cyberpunk 2077. Go through the initial configuration settings such as graphics and controls to customize your gaming experience. With these steps completed, you are ready to enjoy Cyberpunk 2077. Make sure to keep your system updated for the best performance. Happy gaming!